Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the clean pass amount on your Roomba J5 Plus. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our iRobot Home app, and then we're going to select our Roomba, and then scroll down to Product Settings, click on that, and then click on Clean Preferences, and then select Cleaning Passes. So here you can select the amount of times the Roomba will pass the room. So for example, how many times it will clean the room itself. So you can select either 1 time, 2 times, or room size clean, which basically like adjusts the amount of times that it cleans your room based on the size of your room. So the smaller, the more times it's going to pass it. And so select any option that you want, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.